Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video I would like to show you what is inside HANDZ 2 collection, our 3D pack. So there are two versions, free and premium version. One important thing, definitely check HANDZ.design to see the final version, because it can happen that we will improve the library and we plan to improve the library, so it can change a little bit. So definitely if you want to learn more, go to HANDZ.design. So let's jump video, what is inside. As you can see, we have free and premium. As you can see, we have the structure is pretty much the same in free and premium. In free you have a limited number of the hands, you have only male and female. If we jump to female, you will see that we have different colors of the skin, like black, blue, brown, green, white and yellow. If you jump, you will see that every PNG file is nicely cut. You see that there is no white space, so it's beautifully, you can just import it into your favorite tool and it will work nicely, you see? So yeah. And if we go, for example, to the second one, so this is basically the same, just in different color scheme. So this is inside the male, the same thing. You have different sleeves here. So inside is also source file, which is limited to 25 poses and like a couple of sleeves, 3 sleeves I think, and also 2 hands. No accessories, no other special objects. Let's jump to the premium one, because this is much more interesting. And as you can see, there is much more stuff in here. You will see that there we have the source files, which is Blender file. We have the PNG files. Here are more than 7,000 PNG files. It's a huge collection of hands. This is the only hands collection you will need. There is a monster hand, this is just a bonus, and also like robotic hands. There are 2 pieces. So let's jump to the monster hand. So you can see we have hand with a fur, you see? So we have a nice monster hand, you see? So this is a pretty funny one. Then we have also without the fur, which is just monster hand. This is monster hand without the fur. So let's take a look. You see? Okay. This is for the monster. If we go to the robotic, you will see again we have 2 types of robotic hand in various poses. As you can see, this is like, for AI projects, this can be super handy. And, you can combine the hands together, so you can have one monster hand and the second one can be the robotic one. So this is another robotic, just different design. And also there are source files. So this is the bonus, what you can find. If we jump to the PNG files, you can see that there are multiple different type of the hands, and they are like, let's jump, you see. So we have the nicely rendered, and there are like 76 poses. Right now, this can grow in the future, for sure. If we go to Chubby, for example, you will see that you have different color scheme, which you can easily just drop. And you will see that like the poses are lovely. Also you can see that there are multiple accessories like this, and yeah, this is super fun to use. If you want, you can create your own pose. It's not limited only to those poses. You can combine it with our different characters and different libraries, so you will be, I don't know, let's jump to the skeleton, for example. This is funny, right? Okay, so this is for the UI. So if you want to show somewhere that something, you need to drag from point to point B, this is how you can do it, like zoom in, zoom out, point, click, double click, and different UI elements. Then you can, like, for sure, like marketing materials, this is super handy. You can put your logo or your card here. You can put whatever you want, or give it someone. If you subscribe, you will get this image, or if somebody gets some discount, you can show this image, and this can be handy for Halloween or for other thing. We have also like posts. I think this is super cute, as you can see. Look at this. It can be fun to use this if you don't want to use human hands. And also working nicely with a mobile phone. Okay, So this is how it looks like. Also there is a pirate, for example. Of course there are like male. If I jump to the male, you will see that there are 37 different combinations with different sleeves. See, definitely we can combine this hand glove to different sleeves, like it can be jumper or whatever suit or whatever you will use. You can change the colors pretty easily. So yeah, but I will show it to you in a tutorial just in the pack. Let's jump, for example, the male brown motorbike, for example, sleeve. This can be super handy. You know, it doesn't have to be motorbike sleeve, or you don't have to call it like that, but this was our inspiration to create such a sleeve. Yeah, so you can combine sleeves, objects, hands, accessories together and create your own hand. And you can, you know, you can easily just match it to your brand colors, and it will be super easy. Then we have like two different source files. As you can see, we have the hands, like the main blend file, and we have also hands which is optimized for chibi chubby kid troll turtle paw, because the poses needed to little bit adapt. But let's jump to the hands. Okay, so you can see we have like different poses, and let's jump so we can see the color. Also the tattoo sleeve or tattoo hand, so this can be handy. Then if I just go here and change, let's jump to the sleeve, and I will change it to different hand, for example the female, it will nicely work. Then I can change the color, and or nail, you can change the color of the nail here, or put different texture with your logo or with customer logo or whatever you want to. Then you can change it, right? So I will just, let's go to elder. There is also the elder, and I will choose, for example, the sleeve. Let's go to military. Right, you see that it's nicely, like this is the sleeve of military. It will work nicely here. Also, what is cool, you can change easily just rotation of the hand, and you can create some funny, you know, just to make it a little bit. Just let's jump to this, and you will see that. And you know, you can play with that as you want, and like sleeves are nicely following the rig, so yeah, you will use it whatever you want to create here, or you can just easily just change the position of the hand. Okay, so this is what we have. Also, if you jump to the accessories, there are like a lot of accessories here, like bohemian bangles or fashion bracelet or like watches. This is extremely cool, like, you know, highly detailed. Let's turn it off. Highly detailed, you know, you can combine and create whatever hand you want to. You won't need any, this is for kids, so you'll see this is optimized for the kid hand, but if you go and just move it a little bit, you can move it, you know, just as you want. It's pretty simple. I will show you in tutorial how to do it, so don't worry. And yeah, for example, rocker wristband, this one, you know, there are a lot of fun stuff you can create and combine together, accessories and sleeves and so on. So yeah, this is what is inside the hands. Again, it can grow in the future. We are still working on the pack, and it can grow, so definitely go to hands.design to get the most up-to-date information. And if you want to combine it with different 3D libraries, go to 3D.design. If you have any question, please reach out to me at samuel3d.design. And definitely, if you want to be around like-minded people, go to our Discord server, and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.